Yep, that's how much snow we have. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's Ivy doing? Oh, she's using the bathroom, so. Where did he go? Wait, you can see his little hat. Hi. He's John Cena. You can't see me. Oh my gosh. You guys, we are under a snowstorm right now. Oh, the puppy wants in. Hello, Snowy dog. Come on, baby. Good girl. Alright, so. Yep, she went potty. Alright, I'm gonna wipe her off real quick. So, let's get that face in the back. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Ivy, you're a snowy puppy. Oh. Let's get that beautiful face one more time. Hi, baby. I give you the wet dog. Hi, baby. Go say hi to Mom. No? You're just gonna stand there? Okay. Let's see where Danny is. Okay, I think that he was telling me that if I was recording, and I still am. Oh my god, you guys. Hold on. Okay, I just gotta get a picture of him. I don't know if he's actually gonna fall into it. No, I don't think he's not. I don't think he wants to get sick, so. Alright. Look at him shake like an animal. Hi. Hi.
I think I'm done now.
Yeah? Okay.
It's cold, it's windy.
Then come inside.
Snow's about inches. That's all. Snow's about my knees.
Well, get inside, Danny.
I know.
You're letting the warm air, you're letting the cold air go.
It's up to my knees.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You look like a snowman.
I am a snowman. I want to jump in the snow, but I already did that. But I made path for Mrs. Ivy to get out, so.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look, you guys. There's so much snow.
Yeah, about 3 feet.
Yeah?
It's a heck of a storm.
Oh my gosh. Do you see that little thing right there?
Yeah.
Right outside?
What is that?
Here, Danny, look.
I don't know.
It looks like a skinny snowman.
I'm gonna go ahead and go check it out.
Okay, you have fun. Alright, he's gonna go check out whatever that thing is over there. Must be some sort of plant or something, I don't know. Oh, he's coming back. Yeah, look how deep the snow is, you guys. It's so deep. Oh no, is he gonna fall into it? Oh no. Oh my god, he just literally fell into the snow. Oh my gosh. And he's just chilling there. Now he's gonna come inside and be like a full-on snowman. Oh my god, he's gonna get sick tomorrow. There we go. He's gonna get sick tomorrow. Look at his butt. His butt is all snowy. He's gonna get sick tomorrow, I swear.
Snowman. I'm a snowman.
Yeah.
With a snow angel, it's up to my knees.
Wow.
It's up to my knees.
I know. Hi, baby.
Alright.
Wait, he dropped his gloves. Oh wait, he's shaking. Yep. He's a shaky boy. Yeah.
Alright, I'm done for now.
Yeah?
Oh, my phone is in my pocket.
Did it get wet?
It's fine.
Okay.
Cool.